donate 1 liter, meaning 2 blood bags, okay? Provided there is spacing, guys, ha? Okay, for example, you have donated today, it's not, oh, tomorrow, I need another bag. Okay, kasi pasok pa rin 1 liter, but it is not necessary also. Yes, guys, okay? 1 year, it should be 3 to 6 months.
6 months.
Ha?
6 months.
6 months. Okay, at least 6 months. Oh, 6 months talaga. Because there are some people who are delayed reaction Okay, na if you donated the blood today or during the today, there is no untoward signs and symptoms, no reactions. But after 3 days, 4 days, okay, dizziness starts, allergic reaction starts. Okay, so it's not necessary. So you have to have at least 3 to 6 months. That is advisable. If you have tattoos, okay, may mga tattoo. Okay, nowadays po kasi ang mga tattoo is sterile naman na clean na. Unlike before, diba, the concept of having tattoos way back in the 1980s, 1970s, it's only mga o mga ex-con are having tattoos. Pero tingnan nyo naman yung tattoo ng ex-con sa tattoo ngayon. Diba? You will know the difference You can see the difference. So they are safe now to donate that. Okay, just ask them your doctors. Okay, because all the things that are being used when you're having your tattoos are disposable. Okay, so it's already safe. Okay, but for seafarers, we're not obliged to. After a year. Opo, sir. 6 months na lang, sir. Or lower. Kasi as long as you have undergone laboratories, not all of us can donate blood, guys. We have to undergo laboratories. Okay, na you are really fit to donate your blood. Okay? Hindi mo high blood ka or donate ka. Ha? No, sir. We don't. Di ba free? Blood free. Oh, when we ask the Red Cross. Okay, when we ask Red Cross.
Hindi ko nga
Before, when we ask Red Cross, guys, why is it that if we're going to donate blood, it's for free? But if we're going to buy, di ba? Bubabay tayo. What are the advantages if you will be donating blood now? Oh, card. Priority ka lang. Yun lang ang advantage. Okay? But, it doesn't necessarily when we ask them why is it that we have to pay? Okay? Because when we donate our blood, it's for free. Okay? The answer, guys, of the DOH is, you are not paying. They are not paying for your blood. Kasi kung magpapalit, kasi may danger zone.
Danger zone.
Okay, this is now the pelvic tract, guys. Your pelvic starts from here down to your base going here. Pelvic. And did you know that if ever we will be encountering pelvic fracture or wounds, this is very dangerous. We can die alone because of internal bleeding. Because when pelvic fracture can reach up to 3 liters of blood, ang pwede mawala. 5 liters lang yung dugo natin. Just imagine losing 3 liters.
-3.
That's why in donating blood, 1 liter lang ang maximum. But it should be done with a specified proper spacing. Okay? Seafarers, hindi na kayo obligado donate, di ba? Because you're having your medical every 3 months. Okay? That's why you are not obliged to do blood okay, yes sir. Okay, sir, sinabi ko yung sir. Okay, yan. Okay, sir, sige na natin. Shimmy natin, sir. Yan. This is what we call shimmy. Okay, guys. Okay, sir. Galing, sir. Sir, huwag ka pumalaw, sir. Galing pa ako yung malilipa. Sige, sir. Galing, sir. Ang galing. Okay. Mas hindi nalipat ba, sir? Okay, yan. Ito na. Yan. Stop na, sir. Okay po. Yan na lang naman. Tatok si sir. Yan. Ito na natin, sir. Shimmy po. Yan. Okay. Ito. Ito the last one. Guys. Yan. Ito lang po. Okay. Okay na yun, sir. Sir, atin natin dito. Dahil pangalawa sir, ikaw na sir, thank you so much. Oh, sir, na. Now, pelvic, ang concern natin yung pelvis niya, guys. Okay? Yan. This one. Pantay pa sa. This is for immobilization. Temporary lang po. Okay? But once the spine board arrive, syempre. Okay? And then there is also one, guys. We have this what we call the pelvic binder. Diba? Meron talagang pelvic binder. Pero yun ang mas parang kagaya na sa abdominal binder. That is much safer. But this one is bandaging is in case now of emergency. Okay? But once the medic arrive, your supplies, your equipments are ready, okay, pelvic binder na. Okay? So this one. Okay, this is now your pelvic round. Okay guys? Hindi na tayo